welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how to change your widget icon on your iPhone with iOS 14. So make sure you have that updated and downloaded before you can do this. So I'm going to be changing my Books app right here and changing the icon. So first you want to go to Pinterest pictures. So I don't have to do this again, but for me, I just typed in light blue aesthetic for any picture you want, basically. And then you want to go to shortcuts. Click the top right button, the plus. Add action, scripting, then open app. Then you want to click choose and type in books. Once you click that, click the three dots in the top right corner under next. And you want to just name the shortcut so you know what it is. Then click add to home screen. Then this is going to be the name that shows under your new Books app. So I'm going to put books and add an emoji. Then you want to click the little icon right there next to it and click choose photo. So I'm going to pick these kisses. Actually, I don't know how I like that, so I'm going to change that. Click add and then click done. Then click done again. So now this is your shortcut. So we're gonna go and you see the icon is right here. So I'm just gonna take this to my home screen. And you can just minus this or delete it and move it to the app library, which is at the end, like we all know. So that is it basically. I hope you guys have fun. If you want any more tutorials on any iOS 14 features, please let me know. Love you. Bye. I also want to show you guys how it works real quick. So basically it's gonna go to the shortcuts app and then play it out from there. So then next is gonna be my Books app. And as for my photos, the same thing comes to photos like this. Yeah, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down anything you want to see below.